Hello and welcome to all. In today's session, we'll see AI in software testing, threat or opportunity. Okay, so before we start, first we'll understand why this topic matters. Okay, so now if you see nowadays AI tools are rapidly growing. Okay, so many of us, like especially for manual testers, they fear the job replacement. Okay, even if you see in news, paper, and everywhere the market creates the confusion. So here we'll separate reality from our fear. Okay, so now if you remember, like 20 years back when automation came, so people said manual testing will die. Okay, now today AI has come, history is repeating, but remember one thing: we are a full stack QA mindset testers, and we are always survive. Okay, so next, first we'll understand what is a AI. In simple words, AI it's a like software trained on large data. Okay, it predicts, suggests, and automate patterns. It does not think like humans. Remember. Okay, so AI supports intelligence. Okay, it does not replace it. Remember these things. This is a very important thing. It does not replace it. Okay, AI supports intelligence. Okay, then now we'll see next where AI is used in testing today. Okay, so now if you see we are using the AI in test case generation, script suggestions. Okay, we can write any script, or we'll ask the like give me the opening a browser. Okay, either in Selenium or Java, Selenium or Python. Okay, it is quickly giving the script generation, then self-healing locators. Okay, then defect prediction or log analysis. Okay, so now, right now, if you see as a manual tester or automation tester, we are using AI in these places. Okay, so AI improves the speed, not ownership. Okay, so this is also very important point. Okay, so it improves the speed, it improves our test case, manual test case creation, script, automation script creation, okay, defect prediction or analysis. Okay, it improves the speed, but it not take the ownership. Okay, so what AI cannot do? Okay, it's understand unclear requirements deeply. Okay, so what are the requirements will give? Okay, it will give the test cases or the scenarios. Okay, but it will not understand the unclear requirements deeply. Whatever you are giving, it will provide the test case. Okay, but as a full stack QA mindset, we need to understand whether that requirement is clear or not clear. So AI cannot do it. As a QA, we are doing it. Okay, it's then also it cannot judge the business risk. Okay, then again, it's don't think like a real users, emotionally. Okay, then again it will not take a release accountability or ownership. Okay, then if in case we require any communication, okay, so it will not replace the stakeholder communications. Okay, so these things AI cannot do it. For here we require a full stack QA mindset people only. Okay, so now if you see earlier role of manual QA engineers, okay, like if you see it's exploratory testing, okay, then we are designing, executing the test cases, domain validation, usability thinking, okay, then edge case discovery, okay. But like if you see humans curiosity or the human judgment cannot be automated. Okay, here also manual testers is required. Okay, so this is the role of manual QA testers. Now, if you see role of automation QA engineers, it's a framework architecture. Okay, CI/CD integration. Then, if in case scripts are failing, then debugging failures. Then environment strategy and providing the custom solution building. Okay, so AI cannot architect enterprises framework independently. Okay, so now if you see this is the role of the automation QA engineers. Okay, and nowadays we all are using AI in manual testing as well as in automation testing. Okay, but now if you check the reality from industry, okay, so companies using AI are still hiring QA. Okay, companies are using AI, but still they are hiring the QA. Okay, AI increases the productivity expectation. Okay, QA role are evolving, not disappearing. Remember these things. AI shifts skill demand, not eliminate jobs. Okay, so here is very important. AI shift the skill demand. Okay, not eliminate job. Okay, so opportunity, like if you see as a AI, okay, if we adopt, okay, we become AI assistant testers. Okay, deliver faster and smarter testing. Move forward quality strategist role. Okay, adoption creates leadership. Okay, and now if you see how QA engineers should prepare. Okay, so we'll learn AI tools in testing. Okay, we strengthen the automation skills. We understand the API and the performance testing. Okay, we'll improve the domain knowledge. Okay, we'll give the focus on analytical thinking. Okay, now if you see, so earlier we have separate manual testers, separate automation tester, but now if you see, we we need to become a full stack QA mindset. Okay, now here if you see, we need to adopt the AI tools, okay, in manual and automation things. Even not only manual and automation, we need to understand the API and the performance testing as well, and we need to improve the domain knowledge, and as well as we need to give the focus on the analytical thinking. Okay, so this way we need to prepare ourselves. Okay, now if you see future of QA, okay, so now just I give the older QA. Okay, it's only test kit design and the execution. Okay, then current role becomes the manual test kit design plus execution plus automation engineer. Okay, but the future role along with AI, okay, QA will become more strategic. Okay, so now if you see 20 years ago, automation was feared. Today, automation is mandatory. Now and now, AI is the next evolution step. So every evolution created better QA professionals. Okay, now here if you see, okay, AI plus QA, powerful combination. Okay, AI handles a repetitive task. Okay, whereas QA handles intelligence and decisions. So AI cannot take the decision. Okay, we as a QA, we as a like full stack QA mindset, we need to take a decision. We need to apply our intelligence. Okay, AI accelerate our execution. Okay, but we full stack QA ensures the business quality. Okay. Now, final conclusion, we can say AI is an opportunity, not a threat. Okay, it will not replace the skilled QA engineers. Okay, and remember one thing, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for the full stack QA mindset testers. Okay, so bottom line, we need to upgrade ourselves, we need to adapt it, and we need to lead the others. Okay, so if in case you have any questions, query, please let me know. Thank you.